Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zishan Hassan and I'm teaching finance reporting F7 paper from more than last 10 years. I also have a working experience in Deloitte as an auditor and also in various organizations as finance executive finance or accounts officer, right, including Sep Dec, Pakistan, Shirazi Trading Company, vice versa. And also, I was the first ever ACCA blog writer from Pakistan. Now, in this session, I will give you the orientation for paper finance reporting F7. Firstly, let us discuss about the course outline of F7 finance reporting. We will have the topic known as finance reporting framework, right, or accounting framework, in which you will learn all the basics, definitions of the reporting framework, including assets, including liabilities, capital, equity, etc. If you think this topic is pretty easy, yeah, it is, but there are few changes in it. And what are the changes? Changes in the definitions of assets, liability, materiality, etc. Right. Then after that, we will have our second topic, which is IS 16, property, plant, and equipment. IS 16, property, plant, and equipment, what it will have with you in this topic, you will learn what is non-current asset, you will learn the recognition criteria, you will learn the measurement criteria, you will learn the how to capitalize asset initially, right? You will learn about the subsequent expenditure, you will learn about the revaluation model, you will learn about the complex asset, etc. So far, so good. Then you will have the next topic, which is IS 20 government grant. What I will do in this topic, I will tell you what is government grant, right? What is capital grant, what is revenue grant, right? What if government grant conditions are breached? Okay, then next we will learn borrowing cost, IS 23 borrowing cost. Again, firstly, what is borrowing cost, right? When to capitalize it, when to suspend capitalization, when to start, when to stop. These are the topics which covers in IS 23, borrowing cost. Then we will have next topic, which is IS 40 investment properties. So we will learn what is investment properties, what are the investment properties, uh, we will learn about the cost model, we will learn about the fair value model, right? We will the treatment when we will switch the models between cost model and fair value model. Okay, along with the examples, and that's our IS 40. Okay, next we will have IS 41 agriculture. So we will learn about agriculture products, right? And the recognition, measurement criteria of agriculture products. So far, so good. Then we'll have IS 36 impairment. What is, again, we will learn what is impairment, um, how to impair non-current asset, what is the cash generating unit, how to impair cash generating unit. Then we will learn IS 38 intangible assets. Again, what are the intangible assets? The recognition criteria, the measurement criteria, the research and development criteria. Okay. Then IFRS 5, held for sale and discontinued operations. We will look at what are the held for sale assets, what are the discontinued assets, what are the criteria to recognize held for sale assets. Okay. Then we will have IFRS 16 leases. Okay, IFRS 16 leases. So far, so good, very easy. It is a replacement of IS 17 leases, right? In this, we will learn what is leases, what is finance lease, and what is short-term asset lease, right? And what is sale and lease back, along with it, their treatments, accounting treatments. Okay. Um, So far, so good. Let us move forward now. Then we will have IFRS 15 revenue recognition and criteria, which is this is the standard, which is the replacement of IS 18. And this to recognize the revenue, we need to learn the 5 steps model of revenue recognition, which is uh, we have to identify the contract parties, we have to identify the transaction price, the performance obligations, and if there is a step performance obligation, and then we can recognize the revenue. That all we will learn in complete detail. Next topic, we will have taxation, all right, and in which we will learn about the taxation in detail, which includes the what is temporary difference, what is permanent difference, their accounting treatments, vice versa. All that will be covered in this topic. Then we will have IS 21, effects of changes in foreign currency transactions, uh, which will include IS 21, what how to recognize the changes of financial currency transactions in monetary assets, in mon and or non-monetary assets in complete detail, right? Then we will move to the one of the difficult standard which students do found, that is IFRS 9 financial instruments, and I will make it simple and easy for you, right? This standard, and this standard will cover what are the financial instruments, what is financial assets, what is financial liability, right? And their accounting treatments, obviously. Then we will have some easy peasy accounting standards, which includes IS 10, events after the reporting period. What are the adjusting events? What are the non-adjusting events? How to classify them? That's detail will cover in this standard. In IS 37, provisions, contingent liabilities, and contingent assets, we will cover what is provision, what is contingent assets, what is contingent liabilities, all that sort of stuff. And then I use 33 earning per share. Again, one of the easiest standard which we will cover, earning per share. What is earning per share? How to calculate it, right? Also, what is diluted earning per share. All of these details will cover in this sentence. Then we will move to our other part, that is I7 statement of cash flows, which you have already studied in financial accounting F3 paper as well. Right, we will cover that in detail. Then we will have a new topic, interpretation of financial uh, ratio, interpretation of ratio analysis, which will include all the ratios, including profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, gearing ratios, investment ratios, vice versa. All we will do in detail, and obviously here I will teach you how to comment on those ratios, because half marks are for the ratios calculations and half marks are for data, right? And then we will move to the topic, that is published financial statements, in which we have to make the financial statements of single entity, right? Examiner will give you the trial balance out of which we have, and then we have to solve the adjustments, and then we have to make the statement of profit, loss, or other comprehensive income. We have to make a statement of financial position. We have to make the statement of changes in equity for it. And then after covering this topic, we will move to the very easy peasy topic, that is principles of consolidation, financial statements, consolidated statement of profit or loss, associates, that is IS 28, and the group disposal, right? I will cover this topic right in the end of the course, because it is very important topic and very easy topic. You will score you can score maximum marks uh, out of this topic. So I will teach it in the end so that you will remember it, you will have strong grip on it, and straight away when you will went to the examination hall, you can just bang on it and get the maximum marks from it. Right after it, our course will end. Right now, what is the paper format? What is the exam format of F7, or you can say finance reporting? Firstly, we will have section A. We will have section A. Right, in section A, you will get 30 marks MCQs, right, which will have 15 MCQs of 2 marks each, right? Then we will have section B. In section B, you will have 3 questions of 10 marks each, right, which will have 5 requirements of 2 marks each. 60 marks cover. Then you will have section C, which you will either do it on Excel or MS Word, right? Obviously, calculation parts will be done on Excel and the theoretical part will be done on MS Word, right? Which topics you will likely to get on this in this section? You will get consolidation as per the examiner practice, though not necessary that you will won't get cash flows in it in future. He can do it. You can get published financial statement questions on it. You will get um, ratios analysis on it. Now you might be wondering that there are only 2 questions in this section, but I'm giving the name of 3. Well, examiner can make the combo of ratios or publish financial statement and can give you consolidation separately, or he can do like that he will make the combo of consolidation and ratios and can give you the published financial statement questions. Now, what how I will teach you, right? You will have the recorded lectures of whole course. You will get the weekly live sessions, right? If you are not, if you do not want the live sessions, that's up to you. You can watch the recordings later on, right? You will get the mark assessment. That means feedback on questions you practice. What else you will get? WhatsApp support, and God forbid, if you fail, let me write it for you. God forbid, Allah na kare. If you fail, next attempt is free for you all. Okay. Now, in which languages I do offer my courses? My courses will be offered in English. Okay. My courses are available in Urdu as well. Right. What's the fee? The fee for the Pakistani students, for Pakistani students, fee is 15,000 rupees. For out of Pakistan students, the fee is pound, that is British pound 75. Right. So if you have any queries or you want the demo lectures, if you want the demo lectures for the F7, for the demo lectures regarding, you can contact me on WhatsApp 0332 300 5199, or you can also contact me on, or you can, if you are out of Pakistan, you plus 9233 300 5199. Also, you can inbox me on the page, that is So good. I hope you like the session, the orientation session. For demo, you can contact me. Do not waste your time. Just get ready for your upcoming exams. Me, Zishan Hassan, signing off.